Have you ever wondered why some cats are famous all around the world? Some cats are huge, some have beautiful blue eyes, and some do not even have fur. Each cat breed is unique and has its own special story. Today, we are going to explore some of the most famous cats from different countries. You will learn what they look like, where they come from, their personalities, and many interesting facts that may surprise you. Along the way, you will also learn useful English vocabulary and practice simple sentences. This lesson is perfect for beginners who want to improve their English while learning something fun. So, are you ready to meet these amazing cats and learn new English words? Let's begin our cat adventure. Our first famous cat is the Persian cat. The Persian cat is one of the most beautiful and popular cats in the world. Many people love this breed because of its long, soft fur and sweet face. The Persian cat has a round face, a short nose, and large eyes. Its fur is thick, fluffy, and comes in many different colors, including white, black, gray, cream, and orange. The Persian cat is known for its calm and gentle personality. It enjoys relaxing in quiet places and spending time with its owner. Unlike some other cats, Persian cats are usually not very active. They prefer a peaceful lifestyle and love being comfortable. Because of their friendly and affectionate nature, they are popular pets in many homes around the world. The Persian cat originally comes from Iran, a country that was once called Persia. That is where the breed got its name. Today, Persian cats can be found in many countries and are loved by cat owners everywhere. Here is a fun fact. Persian cats need regular grooming because of their long fur. Many owners brush their cats every day to keep their coats clean, healthy, and beautiful. Now, let's learn some new words. The word fluffy means soft and full of fur. The word gentle means calm, kind, and not rough. The word owner means a person who has a pet. Listen carefully to these example sentences. The Persian cat is very fluffy. My cat is gentle and friendly. The owner loves her Persian cat. Now repeat after me. The Persian cat is very fluffy. Again, the Persian cat is very fluffy. My cat is gentle and friendly. One more time. My cat is gentle and friendly. The owner loves her Persian cat. Again, the owner loves her Persian cat. Great job! You have learned some new English words and interesting facts about the Persian cat. Our next famous cat is the Siamese cat. The Siamese cat is one of the most recognizable cat breeds in the world. People love this cat because of its striking blue eyes, elegant body, and unique color pattern. When you see a Siamese cat, it is very difficult to forget its beautiful appearance. The Siamese cat has a slim body, large ears, and bright blue eyes. Most Siamese cats have a light-colored coat with darker fur on their face, ears, paws, and tail. These darker areas are called points. Their unique look makes them one of the most famous and admired cat breeds in the world. Unlike the calm Persian cat, the Siamese cat is very active, intelligent, and social. It loves being around people and often follows its owner from room to room. Siamese cats are also known for being very talkative. They like to communicate with their owners using different sounds and meows. Because of this, many people say that Siamese cats enjoy having conversations with humans. The Siamese cat originally comes from Thailand, which was once called Siam. That is where the breed got its name. For hundreds of years, these cats were admired by royalty and were considered special animals. Today, Siamese cats are popular pets in many countries around the world. Here is a fun fact. Siamese kittens are usually born completely white. As they grow older, the darker colors on their face, ears, paws, and tail slowly begin to appear. This makes their appearance change as they grow. Now, let's learn some new words. The word elegant means graceful and beautiful. The word social means enjoying the company of other people or animals. The word talkative means liking to talk a lot. Listen carefully to these example sentences. The Siamese cat looks elegant. My cat is very social. The talkative cat likes to meow all day. Now, repeat after me. The Siamese cat looks elegant. Again, the Siamese cat looks elegant. My cat is very social. One more time. My cat is very social. The talkative cat likes to meow all day. Again, the talkative cat likes to meow all day. Excellent work. Now you know why the Siamese cat is one of the most famous and loved cat breeds in the world. Our next famous cat is the Maine Coon cat. The Maine Coon is one of the largest domestic cat breeds in the world. Because of its impressive size, many people are surprised when they see one for the first time. Even though it is very large, the Maine Coon is known as a gentle and friendly cat. The Maine Coon has a strong body, a long bushy tail, large paws, and thick fur. Its coat helps protect it from cold weather. This cat often looks a little like a wild animal, but it is actually very affectionate and enjoys spending time with people. Maine Coons come in many different colors and patterns, making each cat unique. The Maine Coon is intelligent, playful, and easy to train. Many owners say that these cats act more like dogs than cats. They enjoy playing games, learning tricks, and following their owners around the house. Unlike some cats, Maine Coons usually get along well with children and other pets. The Maine Coon comes from the state of Maine in the United States. It is one of America's oldest natural cat breeds. Because winters in Maine can be very cold, these cats developed thick fur and large paws to help them survive in snowy conditions. Here is a fun fact. Some Maine Coon cats can grow over 1 meter or 3 feet in length from their nose to the tip of their tail. This makes them one of the longest domestic cats in the world. Now, let's learn some new words. The word bushy means thick and full, especially when talking about a tail. The word affectionate means showing love and care. The word train means to teach an animal or person to do something. Listen carefully to these example sentences. The Maine Coon has a bushy tail. My cat is very affectionate. We can train a cat to follow simple commands. Now, repeat after me. The Maine Coon has a bushy tail. Again, the Maine Coon has a bushy tail. My cat is very affectionate. One more time, my cat is very affectionate. We can train a cat to follow simple commands. Again, we can train a cat to follow simple commands. Excellent work. You have learned about the Maine Coon, one of the biggest and friendliest cats in the world. Our next famous cat is the British Shorthair. The British Shorthair is one of the oldest and most popular cat breeds in the world. Many people love this cat because of its round face, chubby cheeks, and calm personality. When you see a British Shorthair, it often looks like a real-life teddy bear. The British Shorthair has a strong body, a broad chest, and short, dense fur. Its eyes are usually large and round, giving it a sweet and gentle expression. The most famous British Shorthair is blue-gray in color, but this breed can come in many different colors and patterns. This cat is known for being calm, quiet, and independent. It enjoys spending time with its family, but it does not always demand attention. British Shorthairs are friendly and loyal, making them excellent pets for both families and individuals. They are usually relaxed and enjoy a comfortable lifestyle. The British Shorthair comes from the United Kingdom. It is believed to be one of the oldest cat breeds in Britain. Over many years, people carefully bred these cats to create the strong and beautiful breed we know today. Here is a fun fact. The famous Cheshire Cat from the book Alice's Adventures in Wonderland is often believed to have been inspired by the British Shorthair's round face and big smile. Now, let's learn some new words. The word dense means thick and closely packed together. The word loyal means staying faithful and supportive. The word independent means able to do things on your own without needing a lot of help. Listen carefully to these example sentences. The British Shorthair has dense fur. My cat is very loyal. The independent cat likes to explore by itself. Now, repeat after me. The British Shorthair has dense fur. Again, the British Shorthair has dense fur. My cat is very loyal. One more time. My cat is very loyal. The independent cat likes to explore by itself. Again, the independent cat likes to explore by itself. Great job! You have learned about the British Shorthair, a calm, loyal, and lovable cat that has been admired for centuries. Our fifth cat is the Ragdoll cat. The Ragdoll is one of the most friendly and affectionate cat breeds in the world. Many people love this cat because it enjoys being around humans and often follows its owners from room to room. If you are looking for a loving companion, the Ragdoll is a wonderful choice. The Ragdoll cat is a large breed with a strong body, soft fur, and beautiful blue eyes. Its coat is usually light in color with darker markings on the face, ears, legs, and tail. The fur is silky and smooth, making the cat look elegant and attractive. Because of its large size and gentle expression, many people think the Ragdoll looks like a living stuffed animal. The Ragdoll is famous for its calm and relaxed personality. It is friendly, gentle, and easygoing. Unlike some cats that prefer to be alone, Ragdolls enjoy spending time with people. They often like to sit beside their owners, follow them around the house, and even greet them at the door. This breed is also known for getting along well with children and other pets. The Ragdoll breed was first developed in the United States during the 1960s. Today, it is one of the most popular pet cats in many countries around the world because of its sweet nature and beautiful appearance. Here is a fun fact. The name Ragdoll comes from the way these cats sometimes relax their bodies when someone picks them up. They may become so relaxed that they feel soft and floppy, just like a ragdoll. Now, let's learn some new words. The word affectionate means showing love and care. The word companion means a friend who spends time with you. The word relaxed means calm and free from stress. Listen carefully to these example sentences. The Ragdoll cat is very affectionate. My cat is a great companion. The relaxed cat is sleeping on the sofa. Now, repeat after me. The Ragdoll cat is very affectionate. Again, the Ragdoll cat is very affectionate. My cat is a great companion. One more time, my cat is a great companion. The relaxed cat is sleeping on the sofa. Again, the relaxed cat is sleeping on the sofa. Excellent work. You have learned about the Ragdoll cat, one of the friendliest and most loving cats in the world. Our sixth cat is the Bengal cat. The Bengal cat is one of the most unique and eye-catching cat breeds in the world. Many people are amazed by this cat because it looks like a small wild leopard. Even though it has a wild appearance, the Bengal cat can be a loving and friendly pet. The Bengal cat has a strong, athletic body and a short, soft coat. Its fur is covered with beautiful spots or marbled patterns that make it look different from most other cats. Bengal cats usually have bright eyes and a confident expression. Their special coat is one of the main reasons why they are so popular. The Bengal cat is very active, intelligent, and energetic. It loves to climb, jump, run, and explore new places. Unlike many other cats, Bengals often enjoy playing with water. Because they are so smart, they need plenty of toys and activities to keep them entertained. They enjoy learning new things and spending time with their owners. The Bengal cat was developed in the United States by carefully breeding domestic cats with the Asian leopard cat. The goal was to create a cat that looked wild but had the friendly personality of a house cat. Today, Bengal cats are popular in many countries around the world. Here is a fun fact. Some Bengal cats have a shiny coat that sparkles in the sunlight. This unique effect is often called glitter, making the cat look even more beautiful. Now, let's learn some new words. The word athletic means strong, active, and good at physical activities. The word energetic means full of energy. The word explore means to travel around and discover new places. Listen carefully to these example sentences. The Bengal cat has an athletic body. My kitten is very energetic. Cats love to explore new places. Now, repeat after me. The Bengal cat has an athletic body. Again, the Bengal cat has an athletic body. My kitten is very energetic. One more time. My kitten is very energetic. Cats love to explore new places. Again, cats love to explore new places. Excellent work. You have learned about the Bengal cat, a beautiful and energetic breed that looks like a tiny leopard. Our seventh cat is the Sphynx Cat. The Sphynx Cat is one of the most unusual and interesting cat breeds in the world. Many people are surprised when they see this cat for the first time because it has almost no fur. Even without fur, the Sphynx is a very friendly and loving pet. The Sphynx cat has a slim body, large ears, and wrinkled skin. Its skin can feel warm and soft, and it may have different colors and patterns even without fur. Because it has no fur, its body shape and muscles are very visible. This gives the Sphynx a unique and special appearance that is different from most other cats. The Sphynx is known for being very social, playful, and affectionate. It loves attention and enjoys being close to people. Many Sphynx cats like to sit on their owner's lap or sleep under blankets to stay warm. They are active and friendly, and they often behave like little clowns, making people laugh with their funny actions. The Sphynx cat was first developed in Canada. It was created through natural genetic mutation and later carefully bred to maintain its unique hairless appearance. Today, Sphynx cats are popular pets in many countries around the world. Here is a fun fact. Even though Sphynx cats have no fur, they still need regular baths. This is because oils build up on their skin more easily than in furry cats. Now, let's learn some new words. The word unique means one of a kind. The word affectionate means showing love and care. The word wrinkled means having small folds or lines on the skin. Listen carefully to these example sentences. The Sphynx cat has a unique appearance. My cat is very affectionate. The wrinkled skin of the cat looks interesting. Now, repeat after me. The Sphynx cat has a unique appearance. Again, the Sphynx cat has a unique appearance. My cat is very affectionate. One more time. My cat is very affectionate. The wrinkled skin of the cat looks interesting. Again, the wrinkled skin of the cat looks interesting. Excellent work. You have learned about the Sphynx cat, one of the most unique and surprising cat breeds in the world. Our eighth cat is the Scottish Fold. The Scottish Fold is a very cute and unique cat breed known for its folded ears. This special ear shape makes the cat look very sweet and round-faced, almost like a teddy bear. The Scottish Fold has a calm, friendly, and gentle personality. It enjoys staying close to people and loves a peaceful home environment. This breed originally comes from Scotland, and it became popular because of its adorable appearance and loving behavior. Here are some important words. Folded means bent or curved. Calm means quiet and relaxed. Gentle means soft, kind, and not rough. Now it's your turn to practice English. Try to make 2 simple English sentences using today's words. Write your sentences in the comment box below. Don't worry about mistakes. Just try your best and practice writing in English. Learning becomes faster when you actively use new words. If you like this video and want to learn more easy English in a fun way, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.